Yo, it's time to blast off, head to the stars. Exploring the cosmos, we'll go so far. From the Big Bang to the Milky Way, let's learn about space in a whole new way. In the beginning there was a bang so big, the universe expanded, doing its gig. Galaxies formed, stars started to glow, planets began to spin, life in the flow. Solar system's here, let's take a ride. Sun in the center, planets by its side. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn with their giant stars. Space rap, let's explore the sky. From the Earth to the stars, way up high. Black holes, galaxies and more, space wonders let's adore. Stars are born in a nebula's embrace, gas and dust swirling in space. Nuclear fusion ignites the flame, a star is born, the universe is game. Black holes lurking with the gravity so strong, nothing escapes, not even a song. Event horizons where it's at, once you cross there's no coming back. Space rap, let's explore the sky. From the Earth to the stars, way up high. Black holes, galaxies and more, space wonders let's adore. Astronauts in space, floating so free. International Space Station, a place to be. Moon landings, Mars rovers on the go. Space exploration, we're ready to show. Satellites orbiting, communications key. Telescopes watching, what can we see? Hubble's capturing cosmic light, revealing secrets of the night. Galaxies spinning, a cosmic dance. Millions of stars in a beautiful trance. Andromeda's coming, a collision ahead. Galactic ballet where stars are spread. Dark matter and energy, mysteries profound. What makes up the universe all around? Scientists probing with minds so keen, unveiling the cosmos, a beautiful scene. Space rap, let's explore the sky. From the Earth to the stars, way up high. Black holes, galaxies and more, space wonders let's adore. So here we are, at the end of our flight.